This clothing store feels like a meticulously crafted work of art, with every detail brimming with creativity and beauty, making it a place people want to linger in. The first thing that catches the eye is the unique 3D decorative ceiling. The intricate and complex patterns on the ceiling panels seem to hail from an ancient European palace, giving a sense of traveling through time. The light gray panels, illuminated by the lighting, have a strong three-dimensional effect, with each pattern appearing to tell its own story, adding an air of mystery and elegance to the entire space. Beneath this vintage and elegant ceiling are the simple yet distinctive metal frames, hanging in the air and displaying an array of exquisite clothing. These metal frames, designed with thin golden lines, form a striking contrast with the vintage patterns of the ceiling, like a marvelous collision of modern and classical elements. The clothing display is also ingeniously arranged, with each garment selected and positioned with care, hanging on the metal frames in a way that makes them stand out. The lighting fixtures in the store are another highlight. Some have hand-woven shades, emitting a warm and soft glow, creating a cozy atmosphere. Others are minimalist pendant lights, bringing a cool and modern vibe that adds a touch of fashion. The gentle light casts on the clothing, making each piece look even more captivating and charming. The entire design of the clothing store is filled with thoughtful details and aesthetic appeal, revealing the designer's pursuit of perfection and love for beauty. Whether visiting for shopping or just to admire, this place offers a visual and sensory feast, making it hard for people to leave. Stepping into this store feels like entering a dreamlike world where fashion and art intertwine, leaving one enchanted and reluctant to forget.